Alright guys, this is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. We're here again on this $1.2 million listing in Maple Valley. Really great house, and we found a number of issues that the buyer here is certainly going to want to know about. With a really big house like this, you're certainly going to find a lot more things. You know, larger house, more potential for things to go wrong. Here we got this huge deck here in the back. And what we see in here, this post here, holding up this big beam right there. Yep, that beam, okay? And what's actually happened is the post has settled, which has allowed it to pull away from these wood joints, or joists here. You can actually see these are suspended completely right there. So these two are not supported. Certainly would be a good idea to get that back into place. What would need to happen is elevate this post so that it's supporting the joist properly. So this could be a potential issue as things start sagging. You can see that this is not a continuous piece. They got a joint there in both of these joists. So another good find here on this home. So this is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. Let's see you on the next one.